Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can deactivate your Messenger account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, in order to deactivate your Messenger account, you need to deactivate your Facebook account. So just go to Facebook and then you can just go to the menu. Then you're going to be right here. Go ahead and click on settings and privacy. So basically guys, once you're here, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you click on settings and privacy, you're going to be right here in this page. So basically guys, once you're here, the first option you're going to find is account center. Go ahead and click on see more in account center. And then you're going to be right here in this page. So basically guys, once you're here, you're going to find sharing cross profiles, logging in with accounts, password and security, personal details, your informations and permissions, add preferences, meta pay, show your profile is verified, and lastly, your account settings. So once you're here, go ahead and click on personal details. And then right here, you're going to find your contact info, your birthday, identity confirmation. And under it, you're going to find account ownership and control. Manage your data, modify your legacy contact, deactivate or delete your accounts or profiles. Go ahead and click right here. Then here, you're going to find memorialization and deactivation or deletion. Go ahead and click on deactivation or deletion. And then go ahead and choose the account you want to delete. Choose your Facebook account. Then choose if you want to deactivate or delete your account. And then if you are sure about it, go ahead and click on continue. Then you're going to be able to deactivate or delete your Messenger and also your Facebook account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.